So, good morning, grade 3s.
Good morning, Miss Mlotshwa.
Thank you. Welcome to our second lesson, English lesson. I'm going to mute you all. I'm going to mute everyone because there is background noise. We are going to have an English lesson, and today we are going to learn about plurals. English lesson, we are going to learn about plurals. Please let us write this down. Let's take it down. Plurals. Plurals. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you. Please show me your thumb when you are done. Plurals. I have muted everyone. Thank you, Mufaro. I can see you are done. Thank you, Mufaro. Yes, thank you. Mr. Kyle, please improve on your writing, okay? When I was marking your test, please improve on your handwriting. Try to shape your letters nicely, okay? Yes, others, they are okay. Thank you, behave. Thank you, behave. Plurals. Plurals. Please make sure when you're writing, you write nicely because you need this when we open, okay? You keep on referring back to say, oh, by the way, we learned about this. You keep on referring, so write neatly and nicely. All right, plurals. Are we all done? Let's see the thumbs coming up to show that everyone is done. Are we all done? Yes, Tafadzwa Kyle, thank you. Thank you, Mufaro, behave. Thank you, Cynthia. Yes, it's okay. We are waiting for Talbot. We are waiting for Talbot. Plurals. I want you to be unmuting yourself one by one. Mr. Kyle, unmute yourself. Let's unmute ourselves. I want to know who is making the noise. Unmute, because this lesson wants us to be participating, want to be talking together. Kyle, it's okay. Unmute Cynthia. Unmute Cynthia. I want to see which device was making noise. Okay. Please unmute yourself, Tafadzwa. Unmute Tafadzwa. All right. Talbot, please unmute yourself. We don't have any more noise now. I don't know which device was making noise. I think it was Unati's. Finish up, Talbot, and unmute yourself. Unmute, Talbot. You can unmute yourself. Done. Good. All right. Who can tell me what are plurals? Is there anyone who has learned about plurals before? Have you ever learned about the word plurals? Anyone who has learned about plurals before from grade 1, grade 2? Have you ever, do you remember plurals? All right, let me give you an example. When we talk about plurals, right, we usually write on one side one and many. Do you remember writing that? One.
Yes, I know plurals.
You now remember plurals, yes, because when you are writing your exercise book, the teacher will say, write one on this side, and on the other side, you write many. All right, those are plurals. When you change things from one to many. But today we are going to learn our simple plurals, where we are going to have words that you end with an S. You just add an S at the end. All right. So this lesson we are going to be writing on our papers. When you're done, you show me when you are done. All right. So, okay, I have this word, number one. Let's write the word cat. One cat. So on this side, right, cat. And then in the middle, I want you to put a small hyphen like this one. Let me show you, sorry. Let me show you my paper. So I want you to write number one, cat, hyphen, and then you write the plural there for cat. You write it there. If you say,
I cannot see.
There you go, Talbot. Number one, cat. I want you to write, if there are many, what do you say? You have one black cat.
Cat. Cat.
What do you say, Kyle?
Cats. Cats.
Cats, yes. One black cat, many cats. If you now have a gray one, an orangish one, you have another gray one, a black one. Yes, number one, cat. So please write cat, cats. All right. Cat,
Done.
cats. All right, let's go to number two.
Dog.
Who is going to do number two?
Dog.
Who's going to give us the answer for number
Dog.
Let's give
Dog.
a chance. All right, Cynthia, for you, dog. Cynthia, if there are many, what do you say?
Dogs.
Dogs. Good. Let's write number 2. Dogs. So we
I'm
say
done.
one dog, many dogs. Done. Good.
I'm done,
Number 3. Number 3 is for Mufaro. Mufaro. A cot. Cot. There is one cot. Many. What, Mufaro? Many cots. Good. Yes, let's be writing. So I said our lesson, we're going to be writing it down as we are. You cannot see the word. There you go, Talbot. There you go.
I'm done, teacher.
There is the word. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you, Tafadzwa. The next, number 4, this one is for Tafadzwa. Tafadzwa, give us the answer. Pin, many
Pins.
Many pins. Good. So don't forget plurals, because in my test, I'll just say plurals. Cat, dog, cat, cot. I want you to remember that plurals is one, many. All right. When you are changing something to many, you are given one item, you have to change it to many. Number 4 is a pin.
Teacher, if we say dog, if there's an E at the middle, we must say dogs.
Yes, if they are now 2, all right, as long as if they are now 2, so you just have to say dogs, all right. The moment they are 2, they change to dogs, all right. Let's go to, sorry, oh, that was number 4. Number 5 is for Talbot. Talbot, this one is yours. Read Talbot, number 5.
Pig.
Pig. And when there are many, what do you say, Talbot?
Pigs. Pigs.
Pigs.
Pig.
Yes, pigs. Yes. When they are many, we say pigs. So today we are doing plurals, simple plurals, just simple plurals that we are using. We are using simple nouns that we know, like pigs, like we have a boy, girl. Those are simple nouns and simple plurals. Next one is for behave. Behave, read number 6. Behave, read number 6.
Plant.
Plant, one plant. Many, behave.
Plant.
Many plants. Good. Let's write number 6. One plant, many plants. One plant, many plants. All right, thank you. Number 7. Number 7. Now there is someone who has noise. Someone is making noise again. Number 7, this one is for Mr. Kyle. Read, Kyle. Read that word.
Ship.
Ship. Which ship is this one? Ship.
Ship.
Which ship is
I cannot do it. Only ship.
Who can tell me which ship is this one?
Ships.
You can explain the ship. Yes, Tapata, what is this ship?
It's sheep.
Ships, yes.
Sheep.
Yes.
Almost like
what is this ship for? Who knows this ship? Yes,
No.
Ship is a boat.
yes, it's a big boat. Yes. A big boat. Yes, that one. That is the ship. This one is the ship for the boat. This one is the ship for a big boat. Talbot, what is happening to the pen? It's not writing anymore. Thank you, Mufaro. I can see good, Mufaro. Let's see others. You've written so far. Let's see others. Let's see what you have written. Welcome, Imani. You are a bit late today. For English, plurals, all right. So we are writing. You can start from number 5 there. It's okay. You can start there from number 5, and then you'll be writing the plurals. Plurals are one, many. Okay. You have a pig. When they are many, you say pigs. All right, so we are doing the simple ones.
Raise it up a bit.
Okay, all right.
Teacher, raise it up to number 8.
All right, I'm doing it so that at least Imani can also see, all right? So that we can wait for her. She came a bit late. All right, then we have number 8. Pen. Pens.
Pens.
Good, Kyle. Pens. Yes, let us write.
John.
All right, good.
Is that number 9?
Pens. We are waiting for
Is
Imani.
that number 9, teacher?
Mr. Kyle, I'm still waiting for Imani. We'll go to number 9. Let me mute you again. There is noise again coming. Yes, Imani?
I can't.
Imani? Oh, sorry, Imani. All right. Let me mute you again. I've muted you again. We now have a bit of noise. Mr. Kyle, number 9 is coming. Number 9 is coming. Number 9 is coming. Some people are still writing here. We are going to continue, right? Yes. Let's just give you a chance to just catch up from number 5, and then we are moving on to the next paper. Imani, when you are done, please say so. When you are done. Talbot, please open your audio. I can see there is a problem.
I'm done.
You are done, Imani. Thank you. Talbot, are you okay, Talbot?
I cannot see number 8.
All right, there is number 8, Imani.
I cannot see number 8.
There is number 8 for you. There you go, Talbot. There is number 8. There is number 8. Can you now see, Talbot?
You're frozen, Sha.
Oh. What about the paper?
I can see the word sheep, plant, and pig. I cannot see number 8.
All right, there you go. I'm trying to put it a bit closer for you, but I can see you. I think it's your network, but you, I can see you. I think today your network is a bit bad. Can you now see?
Higher.
There you go.
No, I still cannot see.
The word is pen, number 8, pen.
Now I can see.
Now you can see. Ah, wonderful. Sorry. I think today it depends on where you are. Your network can be a problem. It's a bit cloudy. All right. I think everyone is now done. Mr. Stepa, then Unati, please try to open your video.
The noise that I have, teacher, is the rain.
The what?
The noise that I have is the rain.
Oh, the rain is the one. Oh, there is rain at home.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Kai. Because I could hear that there will be some noise that will be coming from behind. Oh, it's raining that side. Oh, from me, this side, I know it's not raining. Talbot, are you done now? Can I put down the paper so that we can continue?
Yes, I'm done.
All right, thank you,
number
Talbot.
8.
Thank you, Talbot. Now we are going to number 9. This one is for Imani. Imani, can you read number 9? What is number 9? The word number 9. Unmute yourself. Unmute, Imani. Don't forget to unmute, sorry. Unmute yourself, yes. Shirt. Yes, that is a shirt. A shirt. So if there are many, what do you say, Imani?
Shirt. I cannot
Shirt. Yes, I think it's your network, Talbot. It's your network. Today it's a bit bad. Sorry about that. I think your network today. Shirt, let me spell shirt for you, Talbot. If you cannot see, shirt is S-H-I-R-T. S-H-I-R-T. And then you can write the plural for shirt. So I will be spelling for you since today you cannot see. Shirt. Let's go to number 10. Let's go to number 10. Mr. Behave, can you read number 10? Plate. Yes, number 10 is plate. So if there are many, what do we say? Yes, Cynthia?
Plate.
Plate. Plate is P-L-A-T-E. Plate.
I'm done, teacher, please.
Thank you, Kyle. Plate. We can go to number 11. Let's see time. Oh, we still have 5 minutes. We can go to number 11. Number 11. Mufaro, please can you read number 11 for us? Number 11 for us. Mufaro, please unmute yourself and read number 11 for us.
Friend.
Friend, yes. We all have a best friend, but you have many. If there are many, we say many.
Friend.
Many friends, yes. You can have one best friend, that one is close to you. You tell them your secrets, you share food with them. And then you have many friends at school that you talk to, that you go with, maybe in transport and everything, okay? Yes, so if there are many, because you can have many friends, different classes, all right? Yes, from different places. You can go to Ngai, you find a friend. You are now in Popoma, you have a friend. At school, you have a friend. At church, you have friends. So there are many
Friends.
all right, good. Are we following together? Are we together? Imani, are you there?
Yes.
All right. Okay. All right. Let's write the last number, the last word. Who can read the last word there?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, read. Someone said yes, teacher. Yes, Cynthia. Read, Cynthia.
Sheet.
Yes, sheet. For those sheets that you sleep with in the bed. If you are now putting two of them, what do we say?
Sheet.
Sheets, yes, because we put two. You put one below and then you put the other one so that you can sleep in between two sheets. Yes, that is many. All right, that is our number 12, the last one. I think we are now left with 2 minutes or so. Yes, 3 minutes to the end of our lesson. Are we all done?
Yes.
All right. Okay. So I want someone to tell me, what did we learn about today? What did we learn about?
Yes,
Yes, Kyle. Yes, Mr. Kyle.
Plurals.
Plurals. Good. Plurals.
Plurals.
Yes, Imani.
Plurals.
Yes, Imani. Plurals. Thank you, Imani.
We learned that today we're putting S.
Yes, today our plurals, we're adding an S at the end. The simple plurals. Thank you, Imani. Yes, Mufaro.
Plural it means that the shortest if you have one thing you add more.
Yes, good, Mufaro. Because when I first said, do you know plurals, people were now confused. They were now saying plurals, they had forgotten. But when I said one many, then now people said, oh, yes, teacher, we know that one. So next time you must remember, because in the test, I will not say one many. In the test, I will say plurals. Then I will give you a word and say cat and say dog. So you must remember that, oh, when teacher is saying plurals, she is saying, make them to be many. All right, if I give you a cat, you say cats. If I say dog, you say dogs. If I say girl, you say girls. If I say boy, you say boys. All right, so remember that in English, when we say plurals,
If you say car, you say cars.
yes, if you say car, you say cars. Good. Yes. So those are plurals when you are changing one item to many. All right. Okay. So thank you, Kyle, Cynthia, Mr. Behavior, Talbeth, Mufaro, Imani, Tafadzwa, and Mr. Stepa there. Today's video is off. All right. Let's meet again tomorrow. All right. So bye, everyone.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Don't
Network.
forget plurals.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Network. Bye. Sorry. Bye. Bye.
Remember to wear your uniforms again tomorrow, right?
Yes, yeah. Bye.
Yes, go and wash them. Bye.
I